with inequalities and we have multiple problems, we're going to have either a union or an intersection. A union has a symbol that looks like this, like a U, and an intersection has a symbol that looks like this, an upside down U. Union is an OR graph, which means it's going to be in one set or the other. Intersection is what I call an AND graph. It's going to overlap. So an AND graph could look something like this. It could have an open circle and then possibly a closed circle. They both could be open or both closed. Where a union is going to look something like this. I'll do one open, one closed, but they're going to go in opposite directions. So let's do a couple examples. First example, I have 6x is greater than or equal to negative 24 and 9x is less than 54. So what our ultimate goal is to graph these, but we have to solve them first. So the first one, what I'm going to do is I'm going to divide by 6. Since I did not divide by a negative, I don't have to flip my inequality. So I get negative 4. And then on this one, I'm going to divide by 9. Again, I didn't divide by a negative, so x is less than 6. Let's go ahead and draw this out. Here's 0. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And notice with this piece right here, there's no line underneath. It does not include 6. And my graph will go in this direction. The other one is at negative 4. And I have a closed circle because at negative 4 I'm closed. And the graph goes in this direction. So what I have right now, if I extend both of them, here is my solution here. It goes from negative 4 all the way to 6 and every rational number in between. The next problem. I'm going to divide both sides by 8. And x is greater than 32 divided by 8, which is negative 4. And I divide by negative 6. Remember, when I divide by a negative, I flip the inequality. So 48 divided by 6 would be negative 14. So, I apologize, it's not negative 14, it's negative 8. Let's draw this out. Here, 0, 1, 2, 3, negative 4, 5, 6, 7, negative 8. So at negative 4, I have an open circle, and it points to the right, because x is greater than negative 4. And on the second one right here at negative 8, I have a closed circle, and it points to the left.